everyone, this is Joe Meloche, Superintendent of the Cherry Hill Public School District. Today is Friday, January the 14th, and I'm standing in the Library Media Center at Cooper Elementary School with two of our amazing Cooper 5th graders and with Miss Ansari, who is our PTA president here at Cooper. What brings me to Cooper today? Well, we are about to celebrate the Martin Luther King Jr. holiday this Monday. It's incredible the impact that Dr. King had on our country and continues to have on our country. One of the greatest things that continues to grow out of this holiday is that it's become a day of service, and there are ways for all of us to serve our community. The PTA here at Cooper came up with the idea of doing personal care kits for people to collect and to be able to give out, not just in our community, but throughout South Jersey. The students here at Cooper, Sophia and RJ, were directly involved in doing collections and bringing things together. Many of the other PTAs have jumped on this and are involved. How will you spend Monday? How will you serve our community? If you want to make a donation, drop it off at your school. This has been A Minute.